that sizzle going. Boom, all the marinated stuff. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to make some skirt steak tacos, carne asada, arrachera, whatever you want to call it. We're making some steak tacos. And we got this meat. This is the plain arrachera right here. We're going to season it on the griddle. And then I got this stuff that I've been marinating for about 30-45 minutes, just something I whipped together real quick. We'll talk about that stuff during the video. But yeah, let's come in. Let's season up this arrachera right now, and then we're going to throw it all on. So right here, this is the plain skirt steak right here. That's right there, just stuff that's not seasoned. Then this stuff right here, this is the marinade one that we did. Got some oranges in there, got a lemon, and then this is what it looks like after it's been marinating, and that's a lime, not a lemon. So to season it, we got all this good stuff right here. Now I'm going to be talking about the marinade during the video, and I got all the stuff in the description. But right here is the dry seasoning. And I got all that stuff in the description below as well. A lot of good stuff, smells delicious. We're just gonna get it all good on both sides of both of these pieces. Goodness. All right, so while I got the griddle warming up, we're almost there, but I just want to tell you what's in this marinade. So we got olive oil, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, orange, lime, chipotle powder, cumin, dried oregano, onion powder, garlic, and chopped cilantro. And then the dry seasoning that we're doing on the plain skirt steak, that is salt, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, red pepper flakes, Mexican oregano, ancho chili pepper, and cumin. So, I mean, the only thing I had to buy that I didn't have was the ancho chili pepper. Everything else we had, so it's, you know, fairly common stuff, I guess. And then we got some lime that we're gonna be squirting on there. We got some cilantro and onion, chopped up white onion. So yeah, we're looking good. Let's go ahead and get it going. All right, so right there we got our peanut oil down. Let's throw this meat on. Here we go. The dried stuff we'll put down first. Get that sizzle going. Boom, all the marinated stuff. Alright, so we got this stuff down. Now this is not going to take long to cook because the griddle was at 400 or 425 when I put them on. So this stuff's not going to take that long to cook. Now I will tell you this, I do prefer arrachera on a charcoal grill. That's just what I prefer. I feel like the charcoal gives it a really good flavor, but cooks up super fast and easy on the griddle too. Yeah, so I think I'm good to go. Got the tortillas out. Give it a flip. Alright, so the first two that I flipped, that's kind of how I prefer mine. And then kind of shred it up, throw it in tortilla, which I do got some fresh made from the local Mexican joint down the street. So some really good stuff. They smell delicious. And another thing, a lot of people like to use this all-purpose adobo seasoning. It's really good too. I mean, it does the job, but I mean, I have my preferences on stuff, so that's what we got. All right, now as soon as I flip them, I turn my griddle off because this stuff, let's see what it looks like now. See, it's done. We're good to go. Boy, that looks so good. All right, so what we got these tortillas. We're gonna get some of that oil. Let's give them a flip. All right, let's get some more oil from over here. All right, boom, let's warm them things up. We're good, and these are good. Now I do have 4 pounds of meat. I'm just doing this for a quick little video. I'm gonna be doing a lot more stuff when the family gets here. So yeah, we're going. All right, so here's the meats. Oh, we're just gonna rip these up. All right, so we're gonna use this one over here. Oh, that's gonna be good. Yeah, like I said, my daughter likes it like this, so this is the kind she's gonna eat, so that's what she's getting. So we're gonna start off with a little lime. And we're gonna do some white onion. And cilantro. A little much. Alright, and then we're gonna top it off with a little homemade salsa. Some really good spicy stuff right here. Let's dive in. I like the seasoned one better, I think. I've been kind of trying them a little bit. I like the seasoned one better, which is nice because that's easier to do anyways. So this is the marinated one. Not bad at all. I think I just prefer the other one. But let's try it. Let's try this one now. Ooh. It's the salt. I love salt on my food. This is a little, some people would call it over-salted. I like it. I definitely like it. Yeah, homemade salsa is phenomenal. All around good meal. All around. All right, well, that's all I got. Appreciate you coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.